What's up, T-Birds? I'm going to go over the warm-up from yesterday. Some of you guys had some really impressive thinking and really good insights into how to solve this. This is step one, this is step two, this is step three. I had one student, Anthony, who said, well, if this is a 1 by 1 by 1 triangle, this would be a 2 by 2 by 2, looking at the perimeter of these triangles. If we get all the way over to step 43, it would be a 43 by 43 by 43 triangle, which is a really good way of thinking about that, but some challenges do come from thinking about it like that, namely how many triangles are in the middle. We know that there's 43 triangles here, 43 triangles here, and 43 triangles here, but how many are going to be right here in the middle? So another way of looking at step 43 that a lot of you guys said was here, the bottom row increases by 2 triangles, and then the bottom row on 3 increases by 3 triangles, and you just stack the shape from the step before right on top. Several of you guys mentioned this. Now, if we look at it like this, we would be left with a bottom row of step 43, and then the row right above that would be from step 42. So this would be 43 triangles. Sorry, I moved my window. Give me a second. Okay, we're back. This would be 42 triangles. This is 43 triangles. Right above it would be 41 triangles, all the way up until you get to just one triangle at the top. Now, Alberto from period 2 had a really good idea with this that I was really impressed with. He said, what if we just find the average of 1 to 43? Well, if I want to find the average, I'm going to add up 1 and 43, and I'm going to divide it by 2, the amount of numbers that I'm adding up. 43 plus 1 is 44, divided by 2, that makes 22. So that means that this row right here in the middle has 22 triangles in it. Well, if there are 22 triangles, each of those triangles has 3 toothpicks. We can say that row 22 has 66 toothpicks in it. Now, this is the average. This means that exactly half of the rows above, all of the rows above, this is 43, this is 42, and then we go all the way up to 1. This is 22 here in the middle. All of these rows above have less than 66, and all of these rows down below have more than 66. So if we multiply them all by 66, it is going to average out to be the right amount. So we have 43 rows that average 66 toothpicks per row. So we can say 43 rows that average 66 toothpicks per row. And then when we multiply this out here, 6 by 3 is 18, 4 by 6 is 24, plus 1 makes 25. I'm going to the tens place now. 6 times 3 is still 18. 6 by 4 is still 24, 25. All right, adding these up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. 3 plus 5 makes 8. 2. We can say that there are 38 toothpicks in step 43 just by utilizing that concept of average.